that, we know a major real estate scam was avoided thanks to one Vermont real estate agent who trusted her instincts.
News 10 ABC's Tamara Starr has more on how a scammer tried to sell property that did not even belong to them.
The Vermont District Attorney's office says identity theft is one of the top 10 scams in the state. But one real estate agent had no idea that a potential client looking to sell land was a possible scammer who had stolen someone's identity.
When I ultimately sent them all of the marketing information and we went back and forth talking about the pricing strategy, he said that they agreed with everything I was proposing and they were ready to proceed.
Even though none of the meetings were in person, she couldn't help but feel that the deal was running a little too smoothly, especially when she asked for ID and then received passport photos. Hoffman looked deeper and found out that the real owners had moved out of the area 30 years ago, and while they still owned the land, they had not contacted her to sell it for them. The town was able to give Hoffman the real owner's contact information.
So I picked up the phone and I called the wife and I introduced myself and I said, "Do you know who I am?" And I gave her my first name and my company name. And she said, "No, should I?" And I said, "Well, I've been emailing with your husband for a week and he happened to be in the car." So she said, "Jose, do you know who this person is?" He said, "No idea."
News 10 tried to contact the couple, but they felt too uncomfortable to do an interview out of fear of being involved in another scam. But the real owners say they were in shock that scammers were pretending to be them. Hoffman advises that if anyone is looking to buy land or even a home on their own, it's always best to double check with the town and look up any public information to help verify a listing.
People are your best resource. Don't be shy about what you're trying to do. Talk to the town, talk to the neighbors, and ideally meet those sellers in person and have them show you their ID.
Reporting in Bennington, Tamara Starr, News 10 ABC.